Jamie Dimon told wealthy clients it's going to be much worse than a recession. The CEO of JP Morgan is warning their high net worth clients that something much worse than the great financial crisis is coming. We also have two signals indicated crashes in previous times reappeared most recently. Can this strong rally momentum carry us through the 200 simple moving average on the SP 500? There is a lot at stake in this market, and we are about to break it all down for you. See you soon. And of course, smash the like button. Welcome back, everyone, to my Audacious Witch channel, where we talk about stocks, bonds, and commodity markets. If you like any of these markets, please subscribe to my channel, and of course, smash the like button if you've enjoyed today's video. When we look at this excess optimism peaked, the last time it spiked high to this level was at March and April peak. Then we had our crash. We are also looking at dumb money versus smart money, where dumb money has been getting more and more optimistic, whereas the smart money is still worrying about the economy, so they can pull back on their investing dollars on this level. Today's open, the stock market finally showing the truth. In the previous video, I said they are going to try to distract us with that body and beyond stock rally. And of course, they had to show us a story and how a 20-year-old USC student, Jake Freeman, turning $25 million into $100 million. Well, we know he is a millionaire already at 20 years old. And the rest of the story is just that, a story and a distraction, pulling people to buy call options before they flip the market and take all those people's money. It looks like the market took off its mask and pricing in for another large rate hike for next month. U.S. stocks fell Friday as risk aversion set in after Federal Reserve officials voiced support for another large rate hike at next month's policy meeting, with the hawkish comments coming before the central bank's Jackson Hole Symposium next week. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite were on track to post their first week loss after 4 consecutive weeks of gains. The U.S. dollar index climbed to a fresh one-month high following hawkish comments from Fed officials this week. St. Louis Fed President James Bullard on Thursday said he'd look to raise interest rates by 75 basis points in September, adding that policymakers should drag out raising rates into next year. San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly on Thursday said rate hikes of 50 basis points or 75 basis points next month would be reasonable, and suggested the Fed could keep raising rates into 2023. The story into the end of the week is all about repricing of Fed expectations. Currency exchange LMAX said on its blog, investors had been looking for more accommodative messaging from the Fed after July inflation cooled to 8.5% from 9.1% in June, and yet this hasn't been the case. We've continued to hear hawkish speak out from the Fed officials, and the market is considering the possibility that the Fed pivot trade may be the wrong way to go, and that the Fed won't be looking into rate cuts next year at all, LMAX said. The Fed has raised rates by a hefty 75 basis points at its previous two meetings. The Federal Reserve Open Market Committee's next monetary policy meeting is scheduled for September 20 and 21st. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell will speak next Friday at the central bank's Economic Policy Symposium in Wyoming. Not only the stock market took a dive, but the bond market dropped more than 1% as well. Bitcoin lost around 7%, but oil is in the green. Looks like so far Michael Burry's prediction is right. And now let's see what Jamie Dimon has to say. He is the one that warned us that we are in an economic hurricane and told us to buckle up as we are still in the eye of the storm, and it's not even close to being over. JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon estimated last week the profitability that the U.S. would head into a recession. Dimon reportedly said on a client call Tuesday that the economy was strong, but storm clouds were on the horizon, including federal monetary policy, Russia's invasion of Ukraine, and rising oil prices. The categorization is an apparent downgrade from Dimon's previous comments in June, when he warned of an economic hurricane. Consumers' balance sheets are in good shape, he said, per the Yahoo report. Businesses are equally in good shape. When you forecast, you have to think differently. It's a bad mistake to say, here is my single point forecast. The CEO was said to have estimated the chances of a soft landing to be about 10% and the probability of a harder landing or a mild recession to be closer to 20 to 30%. He also reportedly estimated a 20 to 30% chance of a harder recession and a 20 to 30% chance of something worse. Dimon had originally used the storm clouds metaphor to describe the U.S. economy back in April, but his outlook grew more dire in June. I'm going to change the storm clouds out there. Look, I'm an optimist. I said there are storm clouds. They're big storm clouds. It's a hurricane, he said at the Bernstein conference. At the Bernstein conference on June 1st, adding, you better brace yourself. JP Morgan is bracing ourselves, and we're going to be very conservative with our balance sheet. Industry leaders like Dimon have provided various economic forecasts over the past few months as a strong U.S. labor market clashes with 2 consecutive quarters of contraction, leaving many experts puzzled over whether the U.S. is approaching a recession or is in one already. Right now, it's kind of sunny, Dimon said in June. Things are doing fine. Everyone thinks the Fed can handle this. That hurricane is right out there down the road coming our way. We just don't know if it's a minor one or Superstorm Sandy or Andrew or something like that. If you are worried about the economy heading to worse than a recession, why not write a book today? Become an entrepreneur. Start your brand new life with an abundance mindset. You can create your own future, decide how much money you can make in a year, and no more worries about your boss's comments or ridiculous orders. What do you want to say to your boss right now? Let me hear in the comment section below. I'm going to show you some of my clients' books right now. So this one is Ignite the Passion, Co-Create Your Dreams by David Vine and Jama. The foreword is written by Abigail Sinclair. This one is a co-author book with 8 other authors. And it's a collaboration book. Such an incredible book with so many good tips on how to co-create your dreams, to live your passion, and to follow what you have within you already. So to create the life of your success and your dreams come true. So this is an incredible book. I will post the link for you. And this one is The 3 Most Important Influencers You Need to Meet by Lee Vincent. I did write the foreword in this book too, so I will post the link. It has such incredible entrepreneur tips and tricks, and also a lot of business ideas if you are starting on your entrepreneur journey. So I will post the link for this one too. And then Wicked Pussy Perfume by Teddy Eazzy. This one is an erotic novel series. It's such an incredible read. I really like the candlesticks and the fireplace. It's such a great story. I will post the link for you to order a copy. It's so incredible. So you should order a copy today. This one is one of my favorites out of all the novels that I've read. So for erotic novels. So I will post the link below for you. And then there is my book. It's called The Crazy Little Thing Called Life. And this one is so incredible. This lady on this front here, she actually reminds me of Lady Gaga. So I just love this picture so much and this cover photo. And I really love Lady Gaga's music. So I wanted to actually put this on one of my book covers. And I'm going to read a quote actually from the back. So change is inevitable, and it is an essential part of our human experience. It means we are alive. It means we are being offered the opportunity to evolve, learn, grow, and expand through our comfort zone. So are you expanding? Are you going out of your comfort zone? This is huge for your growth and your success. And it's very crucial to learn and grow daily. So this is a crazy little thing called Life. I will post the link so you can order a copy of this one. So yeah, shout out to Lady Gaga's look-alike. This is called You Must Believe It, That It's Already Yours Now. And I really, really love this cover because it's just very mesmerized, and it's just like there's actually the beach in behind. I don't know if you can see it, but it does have just a little jar with lights in it at the bottom, and I really love this color. It's the sunshine and everything and sunset at the front. And I'm going to read a quote from here. You must genuinely believe in it, and then it comes into your life. It is so very magical the way that it works. This is when you gain your amazing power to receive all of your desires in abundance for your life. So you must believe that you're worthy of getting what you want. That is the first step. You need to believe it for yourself. You will not get that belief from anybody else. It has to come from within you. And this one is one of my favorites. I will post the link below for you to order a copy of this one too, okay? So I hope you've enjoyed my video today. I thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate all the support. And I'm going to talk about this one. It's Champagne Frequency. And this one is just so amazing. I was actually out for the day, and I was just enjoying the sunshine, and I was just having so much fun. So it's just all about having fun, this book, and really living all that what you have inside you to give. The spontaneous part of you and the fun part of you. Don't forget to have fun. So it's very important to have fun in life and to just take chances. So this one is all about that. So I will post a link below for you to order a copy. So I hope you've enjoyed my video today. I thank you for watching my video, and please like my video and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it so much. So I thank you. Have a great day. Bye everyone.